Welcome to Easy Higher Mathematics.
Let us see how to find a LUB and GLB of pair of elements from a partially ordered set and if Hasse diagram is given. So first we take the Hasse diagram. This is the Hasse diagram for this partially ordered set with the relation divides. These examples already they are in our YouTube channel, so you can go through it. Now from this Hasse diagram, how to find this least upper bound and greatest lower bound. You can take any pair of elements from this set. So first 2, 3. So 2, 3. These 2 and 3 are connected by 6 and 1. So 2, 3, this is the top value by connecting these 2 and 3. Also, by transitive condition, this is connected by this 12. So that means 2 and 3 are connected by both 6 and 12 as well as 1. Now, upper bound means this 6 and this 12. From this upper bound, we calculate only the lower value. So, lower value is equal to 6. So, that is our first value 6. And the lower bound means 1. It is a unique value. Therefore, greatest value is 1 itself. So, that is the first answer. Now, if you take 2, 6. That is 2, 6. So it has direct connection 2 and 6. So 2 and 6, there is one path that is 2 to 6, then 6 to 12. So the upper values are both 6 and 12. Its least value is equal to 6 only. So the 6 is the answer. And 2 and 6 linked with this 2 to 6 and 1 to 2. So least values are 2 and 1. Its greater value, GLB means greater value of the lower bounds. So that its greater value is equal to 2. So our answer is equal to 2. So in this way, we can calculate the GLB and LUB for all the pair of elements from this given partially ordered set. So the trick is, if there is a direct link, this bottom value is the least upper bound and 2 is the greatest lower bound. And if you take this 4 and 6, there is no direct connection. So this is the LUB and this is the GLB. So don't need to go to 1 because for 4 and 6, the lower bounds are 2 and 1. Out of 2 and 1, we take the greatest value, so answer is equal to 2. So in simple way, 4 and 6, there is no link between 4 and 6, direct link between 4 and 6. We take this is the upper bound, greatest, this is the upper bound and it is unique. So the LUB is equal to 12 and the least value is equal to greatest lower bound, that is equal to 2. So our answer is for 4, 6, answer is equal to 4, 6, the answer is 2. So one more we take 6 and 12. What is 6 and 12? So 6 and 12, there is direct connection. So the LUB is this 12 and the GLB is equal to least value, that is equal to 6. So one more condition, if there is no direct link, we take this is the top value and this is the lower value. Now next, if the Hasse diagram is not given, we can find this upper bound and lowest upper bound. So that is what is the trick here. Here 1, 2. If you take 1, 2, the upper bound is the numbers from the upper bound is numbers from this set, this number you take from the set and which is divisible by both 1 and 2. It is divisible by both 1 and 2. That is 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. And 4 is divisible by 1 and 2. 6 is divisible by 1 and 2. 12 is divisible by 1 and 2. So what is LUB? Least value. Least value is equal to answer 2. So this is the LUB. And what is greatest lower bound? So greatest lower bound is, how will you calculate the lower bound? This value is the number which divides both 1 and 2. This number which divides both 1 and 2. So 1 is the unique number which divides both 1 and 2. So greatest lower bound is 1 itself. And if you take 1 and 3, we take another one, 2, 6. So 2, 6. 6 divisible by 2. 6 divisible by 6. And 12 divisible by 2. And 12 divisible by 6. So these are only the two elements from the given set. And from this we take the least value LUB. So 6 is the LUB. And here lower bound. What is lower bound? This 2 and 6 least number or the number which divides both 2 and 6. So 1 divides 2 and 6. 2 divides 2 and 6. So least bound is equal to 1 and 2. From this we take the greater one, GLB. Greater one is equal to 2. So GLB is 2, 6. GLB is equal to 2. And suppose you take the 12. 4, 12. 4, 12. The number which is divisible by both 4 and 12 is equal to 12. Because 12 is divisible by 4 and 12 is divisible by 12. And here the numbers which divides this 4 and 12 is 1 divides 4, 1 divides 12. And 2 divides 4, 2 divides 12. And 4 divides 4, 4 divides 12. So collection of the factors of, already its meaning is the collection of factors of this 4 and 12. This is 1 to 4. From this we take the greatest value. So greatest value is equal to 4. So the GLB of 4, 12 is equal to 4. Let us go to this first Hasse diagram. What is 4 and 12? Hasse diagram 4 and 12. 4 and 12. The upper value is equal to LUB is equal to 12. This is 12 and GLB is equal to 4. So that only we get from the set here. So this is 4 and here 12. Thank you.